Okay, welcome to Rostod Academy. Let's talk about certain parts of the nervous system and their functions. The cerebrum controls thinking, memory, voluntary movements, speech, and intelligence. So here we should also include the sensations that the cerebrum receives, right? Receiving sensations. Okay. Cerebellum maintains balance, posture, and coordination of muscle movements. The medulla is responsible for regulating involuntary actions such as breathing, heartbeat, and also reflexes like sneezing. Hypothalamus is responsible for controlling body temperature, hunger, thirst, and emotions. And also, the hypothalamus is able to regulate the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the master gland that regulates other endocrine glands and hormone secretion. So why do we refer to as the master glands? Because it's able to control all these other glands and make them or cause them to secrete certain hormones. Like for instance, there's follicle stimulating hormone, which will go to the ovaries and stimulate the maturation of the follicles. Okay. This one is also responsible for, let's say, secretes thyroid stimulating hormone to stimulate the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormone. Okay, the spinal cord is going to transmit nerve impulses between the brain and the body. Okay, it also controls reflex action. So we actually say that the reflexes are controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, but we have certain reflexes that are also controlled by the brain itself. Okay, the thalamus is the one that relays sensory information from the body to the cerebrum for processing. So we actually say that the thalamus is the gateway to the brain, okay, to the cerebrum. There's corpus callosum, which is going to connect the left and the right hemisphere of the brain for communication. The pons aid in breathing and relay signals between the cerebrum and the cerebellum. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary functions like digestion and heart rate. All involuntary functions are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Actually, we say autonomic nervous system is made up of two. It's made up of parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.